This is a cleaning guide for the LG washer-dryer combo. Start by removing the upper lint filter assembly from the washer. Lift up with the handle and then pull. Now remove the internal dust filter cover by loosening the screw on the right side of filter housing. Use a tool such as a cleaning brush to remove dust accumulated inside the filter housing. A vacuum cleaner can be used, but be careful not to damage the coil fins inside the housing. Remove dust around the vents using a vacuum cleaner or cleaning brush. To clean the upper filter assembly, disassemble it as shown in the video. Remove dust from the separated upper filter and filter cover. You can wash them with a cleaning brush and running water. Replace the filter cover and the one screw. Reassemble the cleaned upper filter. If an incorrectly assembled filter is installed in the washer, it may be difficult to remove it again. If this happens, use a screwdriver to forcibly lift the dust filter, disassemble it, and then reassemble properly. When assembling, assemble in line with the counterpart to prevent incorrect assembly. When assembled properly, there is no opening between the filter frame and the dust filter. Reassemble the cleaned upper filter assembly into the product starting with the hooks. Reassembly is complete. Now use a soft towel to remove dust from the door gasket and the glass inside the door. For additional help, visit lg.com.